Hello, I'm in a 2017 Chevy Bolt, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your interface. So first you want to make sure the vehicle is on, which currently this one is, just normal start process. And at which point you want to get to this screen, which would be these dots here. So if you're on the home, it's these dots. I'm going to go to settings, and then there's the scroll here, you'll scroll down until, there we go, devices. We'll select devices. And then this arrow brings you down. So then from here, you can delete devices here if needed, which I'll go ahead and show you since I'm here. Delete, confirm, and then we'll add a device with this button. And then from your device, we're gonna try to find Chevy MyLink. Every phone's a little different, but pretty much all of them you want to have that blue icon highlighted there and be inside that menu. And then I'm gonna scan. I'm going to assume it's probably this one, but it hasn't shown the name yet. Oh, there it is. Chevy MyLink. So we'll select that. Pairing. Alright, and then it takes usually just a moment. Sometimes there's some kind of glitch too. You'll have to adjust. But that was it. So we'll pair. And then that's it. Code matched. So yes. And that's it. So we're all synced up. And then now you can take your phone calls, listen to music, all that sort of stuff with the car. But I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.